How to fix AEG Dishwasher i30 error code. So this error code simply means the anti-flood system detected water in the base pan, triggering a safety mode. It often causes constant draining or beeping, so follow these steps to fix it safely at home. The I30 is triggered by the float sensor in the base detecting water. Common causes of these issues are minor leaks, blocked filters, overfoaming, spray arm issues, or faulty hoses. So guys, first of all, turn off your water supply. So turn off the water supply tap, unplug the dishwasher from the wall to stop the pump, and then drain the base pan. So just lay thick towels at the bottom around the front and sides to catch water. Carefully tilt the dishwasher forward or sideways at about 45 degrees for 1 to 2 minutes, and then the water should pour out from the base tray. So simply wipe out the spills, stand it upright again, and then plug it in and turn on the water and run a short test cycle to see if that fixes the issue. Another step you can try is cleaning the filters and spray arms. So open up the door that's of the dishwasher, remove the bottom rack, twist out this filter here, and then rinse it underwater to remove debris in the filter. And then once you're done there, simply take the spray arms, that's these spray arms here, clean the blocked holes with a toothpick or and then rinse it once you're done, and then reinstall everything securely. And then you can also check your door seal. So inspect the door seal, that's this door seal here. Simply clean it and then check for cracks or any food along the door seal. And then you can also check the inlet holes at the back for kinks or damage. If it's not, straight, just straighten it out. And then please use less detergent to avoid excess foam in your dishwasher. Now, if the I30 returns and you suspect an internal leak, a pump failure, or a sensor issue, simply call the AEG support or a technician to come and check it out.